how to develop your psychic and medium abilities into you. Have you ever felt a strong intuition, a strong presence of a spirit around you? There can be a chance that you're a psychic or a medium. Hi, my name is Sanskriti Sethi. I'm a psychic medium and Akashic record reader, automatic writing and mediumship coach, and a soul guide to all of you. Today in this video, we are going to talk about how can you develop these psychic abilities at home. Whether you're a beginner or looking into polishing your skills, this video is going to add a lot of value. So stay till the end. So in the previous video, we discussed that who is a psychic and who is a medium. So giving you a brush up, a psychic is a person who has senses more active than normal person, and they can deep dwell into your future, help you guide into your present, whether it is career, relationships, money, anything. And a medium is a person who connects you to the astral world to get messages from your loved ones who have crossed over. Now I will tell you some very simple steps through which as a beginner or as a practitioner you can enhance your psychic abilities into your life. The very first and the most important step is you need to spend time with yourself meditating. Meditation doesn't mean आप अपनी आंखें बंद करके बैठे रहो. बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनसे मेडिटेशन नहीं होता है, और वो इसलिए नहीं होता है क्योंकि वो बैठते नहीं. Sit for constantly 21 days at the same time for the same duration. Trust me, when you enter into the 22nd day, you will be able to meditate. To start with, just sit for 10 to 15 minutes constantly, and whatever is channeling through your consciousness, it is absolutely okay. Let it channel. Maybe there is clutter around, wife said something, husband said something, in-law said something, boss said something. Let everything walk over. When you are constantly doing it for 21 days, you'll see a difference when you enter the third week. When you sit and meditate, you're creating a space for yourself where your intuition increases and your mediumship powers brushing up. Step number 2 is develop your intuition. Using crystal, doing different modalities help you enhance your intuition. Now in the meditation, maybe you're seeing some names, some signs, some geometrical figures, something irrelevant to you but definitely relevant to your journey. When you're sitting and meditating, your intuition surfaces, and whatever comes through, please write. When you write, draw, make and color, your psychic ability enhances because you're ready to acknowledge, surrender, understand and develop at the end of the day. When you are in the receptive mode, energy comes in. But when you doubt, energy goes out. Step 3 is connecting with your guides. Guides are those enlightened beings into the spiritual realm which are high in vibration, and those are there to guide you. Their role in life is to guide the humans on earth. We all have our own spirit guide team, but you'll only be able to connect with them when you sit constantly and maintain the consistency. Step 4 is practice with intentional exercises. For example, you decide that I'm going to do 10 minutes yoga, 15 minutes meditation, I'm going to do chakra balancing, I'm going to spend time around nature. Whatever you decide for yourself, whatever intention you put behind, make sure you're doing it continuously. अब होता क्या है ना, लोग एक दिन करते हैं, 2 दिन करते हैं, कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आता, उसको छोड़ देते हैं. Do you think anybody who has been able to create a spiritual empire was only able to do it in a day or a week or a month? Trust me, no. I sitting on this chair know the work I have done for the people, and more than that for myself, so that I can be in an energy who can be a soul guide for you. Number 5, join a healthy community. It can be an Instagram community or it can be a YouTube community like this, where the spiritual insights are given to you every now and then. It helps you get aligned. होता है ना, कभी कभार आप aligned चल रहे हो, अचानक से कुछ होता है, you leave everything. So you need a community who is dedicated in serving spirituality, enhancing your skills, connecting you to the divine, and ultimately it helps you. Step number 6 is educate yourself. Learn. Opt for courses. Do things that help you develop your intuitions. With us, if you want to sign up, you can join our automatic writing workshop or our mediumship workshop. We do in batches. Also, we do one-on-one. The details for the same are given on our website. The link you will find in the description box. And last step, and the most important step, is trust and patience. जब आपको विश्वास ही नहीं होगा तो वो होगा भी नहीं. What you believe in becomes your reality. That is what I have been saying over a decade now. So write in the comments, are you going to follow these 7 steps religiously starting tomorrow? If yes, write in the comments, I am in. So soul family, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe if it really helped you. Keep unlocking the mysteries of the universe, and let's make this spiritual community absolutely stronger. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and see you soon.